Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We've got some more white to do. If you've seen yesterday's video, we were doing some white base coat and some clear coat. We've got the same today and we're finishing off the pieces for the tractor that I did yesterday. So we've got two roofs. These are big roofs, guys. So we've got two of them to do. We've got side panels and two wiper motor covers. I've tack ragged them down and stack gunned everything down. I'm going to stack gun it again just before I start. But the first bit is the plastic primer on the two roofs. Right guys, the plastic promoter that we are using is this U-pole one. Plastic prime these up and then we can move on to spraying some base coat and clear coat. Right guys, you've seen in that little clip, we've dropped the plastic adhesion promoter down. So backed off, low pressure, just put a dust coat down. You see how that went down? I wasn't putting it down really wet, just a light coverage over. So them two are done. I've changed the gun up. We're going to use the GTI Pro, so we're going old school with the Pro on the 1.3. Got the base coat set up, running around 20 psi. Let's get some base coat down on these roofs. A pause and as you can see, there's one missing. Pinholes. So it was prepped, brought it in, hit it with the base coat, bang, and then the pinholes popped. So I've gone out, filled them, brought it back in, sanded it, brought it back in, hit it with the base coat, pinhole, bang, pops out again. So it's dry it, take it back out, fix the pinhole, bring it back in, it's just backwards and forwards. But everything else, base coat wise, is good to go. Now these roofs are very big because trying to do the full stretch is a bit awkward, and we've only got fast thinners. A slow thinners would have been nicer. It would have just kept it open a little bit longer and flowed out better. So I'll get this bit prepped and get the base coat on it, get the clear coat on this. Then I've got to go back into this room and repaint 6 items that I painted the other day. I did 42 black panels in satin, and 6 of them have got specks of dirt in them. So you can't polish, nib, you can't do anything. They've got to be sanded back and repainted because it's satin. Just for a little speck of dirt, 1 speck of dirt in each piece. It's crazy. So yeah, repaint on them. So they've been prepped, they're in the other booth, so I might as well take you through that as well. So we will crack on. Right guys, we're ready to go. We've got the panel fixed. There was a pinhole in here and there was pinholes in this crease down here. Sorted them out, stopper, a little bit of I-build primer, dried it off. We've got the base coat down and got it on. So everything on here is good to go for clear coat. I've just stack gunned everything off. DV1, full fan, full fluid, 2 bar pressure. Let's drop some clear down. Didn't record much of it, but we got it down. It's not a bad coat. Really could have done with like a slow thinner on this. Really could have done so it would have just stayed wetter longer. the fast really dried out quick, so I'm really trying to keep it wet and hammer it on the second coat. And it's just sort of drying. You've got to get around these really quick. It's the big areas to do. But we've got a coat clear down. We've got the side panels done. Come out really nice. All these are done. So I'm going to move into the other booth now and go through these blank panels with you. Just do a bit on them. I'm going to call it done and I'm going to go home. Right guys, we're in the other booth and these are the blank panels. So as you can see, it was obviously a little speck of dirt and that's all it is. One speck of dirt that lands in it and you've got to repaint it. Because it's satin, you have to repaint them. So 48 that I did, so that's how many out of 48 had specks of dust in, so I didn't do too bad. So GTI Pro Light 1, 2, bit of the black mixed up. Let's get these done and we can go home. So enjoy the rest of the footage and I will see you in the next one guys. Drop your comments, tell me your thoughts, and I'll end it with just spraying these. Thanks for watching guys, cheers.